Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial on how to set up your YouTube channel. So I've just dived right into this video. First of all, I've shared a link in our private group chat, and you can also find this link in the description. So immediately click this link. I also make it appear on the screen right now. So immediately you click the link, it brings you down to this page. So from here, you can create your new channel, and if you don't even have any existing one, or you can select the one, anyone you want to customize or the one you want to tweak the settings for. I'll be using my main channel here as a guide to this. So once I click this main channel, or you create a new one, you come to the top right corner and you select YouTube Studio. At the top right corner, you see your icon. It could also be just the first letter of your name if you've not actually set a display picture, a profile picture for that account. So you click on YouTube Studio, and coming to this YouTube Studio, you can see there are a couple of analytics on this page. If you are just opening your account for the first time, this page will be pretty much empty, and I also have lots of plugins that like vidIQ that also shows some extra functionalities on this page right now. So first thing I want us to do is dive right to the settings, and in the settings you will see general. You can set this to US dollar, or can also be set by default. And the next thing I want us to do, which is the first and most important thing, is we go to the channel, and under channel you can set your country of residence and also input some keywords and all of that. I will explain what keyword is. It's just like hashtags on Instagram, just to boost your SEO and make the visibility of your channel top notch. So on this advanced setting now, you can tweak these features, and for this, if you're not making content for kids, I would advise you just set it to no. And if you feel there could be sometime in the future we'll be making content focused on kids and small children, so you could use this particular setting, this particular option, to always review on every upload. You could link Google Ads account. This is quite unimportant. Automatic captions, all of that. You scroll down, these are things that are just in English and are pretty straightforward for you to understand. So then you go to the feature eligibility. Under this, you might have these standard features enabled from scratch, but for these intermediate features and advanced features, you have to verify your phone number, which is pretty much easy. Just input your phone number and you get a code and everything, and you input it into the page or the pop-up that will be shown, and your number will be verified. And for the advanced features also, you might need to go a step further and upload a valid ID from your country. So this would allow you access to videos longer than 15 minutes, live streaming, custom thumbnails, like just the regular or premium part of creating on YouTube. So you won't be restricted to only having these standard features that involve just creating a playlist and short video uploads and adding collaborators and all of that to playlist and that. So this would advance your creative capacity on this platform. So now let me go to your upload defaults. This is also quite important. For this upload default, I feel you don't need to set your title. I will drop a template for a default description in the comment section that you can always follow and tweak based on different videos or different styles. You can add playlist into these, also call to actions and lots of different things. I'll just drop a link to a Google Docs file that would explain this, and it's always good to always leave this set to unlisted instead of public. I always tweak this anytime I upload a new video. It's better to leave it as unlisted because it takes time for YouTube to also process these videos to the best quality, which is either HD or 4K, depending on the format or the quality you edited in and exported your video file in. So it also helps you check for copyright content. Let's say some of the soundtracks you used are copyrighted by, let's say, UMG or some other big companies. So this could help you, avoid being demonetized or receiving a strike on your account. And on the advanced tab, this is pretty much straightforward. You could set your comments to off if you don't want comments, and for moderation, depending on the type of content you are making, if you feel there'll be lots of trolling or bad language in the comment section, you can set the moderation to strict or hold off for you to approve before those comments come on YouTube, which is, I pretty much just set it to basic because I'm really not expecting any bad comments on my videos, except they are constructive criticisms. So let me just check what else am I missing here. Well, when it comes to times, the restream here is just something, by the way, which I will explain in a later video, how to stream to YouTube and any other platform. So I feel we are done here, and this is great. So on the customization tab, this is where you set up your profile. Here you can set up your profile, your channel name, and the handle. This handle is specific and applies to only your channel. It's just like your art on Twitter, X, or Instagram. So you have to set something very specific to you, like it's more like your brand, so you know the username to pick that is specific to you. And let's say once you use this username on YouTube / at your username, it takes you directly to your particular channel, and this is just the one that will be displayed, like as you can see it here. When people search for videos, and just the first name that will be displayed next to your videos. And this channel description now is something that I feel shows up on the first, let's say when someone searches your channel and they see it, that's just like the first introduction to your channel, and it's something people first see. So it should be quite short and concise, and you can also tweak it around in any way. So it also helps with SEO a bit. Then now here you can find your channel URL, and I can also show you, I guess I will drop on my pinned comment, I will drop a style of tweaking your channel URL, and also using trackers to figure out, let's say, how many people are clicking these links and all of that. You can use Bitly for that. I don't really need to explain that in the comment section, so let's just dive right into the links section. In these links, you can set the custom name of the link title, and the link URL. So if you have a Discord server, you can have it here, add it here, Telegram link, Instagram, Twitter, all of that. So you can just add the link here and it works fine. So, and for your contact information, you can also add an email for people to contact you, and add a video watermark. For a video watermark, it has to be a very small picture that is also quite clear. Let me see if the formats are listed here, but I feel it should go for WebP or PNG, which should be best, and it will be showing at the bottom right, as you can see here, showing on the bottom right of most of your videos. And on the home tab, this is where you can set out different sections in your video. You can create more sections based on different styles of content. Let's say your gaming content, your reaction content, featured videos for returning subscribers, just giving your page your YouTube channel a different look. And for this For You page, this is just automatic. You can't really tweak this. This is done by YouTube by itself. So it just recommends videos for people to watch. I guess I made some edits, and any edit you make here, you click publish. Anytime you want to upload a video, you click on create at the top right next to your profile picture and upload a video. To go live, I wouldn't recommend going live directly through your YouTube studio page. I will make a tutorial on that after. And for those that are having podcasts too, there's a way you can automatically pull your podcast from other platforms like Spotify and the likes into YouTube directly without having to re-upload. And you can create a new playlist here too and create a community post. So what else am I missing concerning monetization? Yeah, on the end tab here, you would clicking this will show you the number of things, criteria you have to fulfill to get monetized. Here it tells you the number of watch hours you have to have. Let's say either as a small channel growing, or let's say you've even fulfilled all these things. It will show you right here, and it also show you the amount you have to earn from your channel. So for this channel now, I would need to get 500 subscribers and at least 3 video uploads in the last 90 days, and one of these two to get monetized, which is either 3 million short views or 3,000 public watch hours on my videos. That means not private videos that I'm sharing through my own community and all of that. So you just scroll through here and just read and go through it, and you would quite understand. The next is copyright. Remember I said you should always upload your video and leave it as unlisted, because you need to allow YouTube run its search on it to make sure there's no copyright on it. And if there's a copyright and you get a strike, sometimes it affects your channel and you might not be able to, monetize your video for a while. Maybe you have to even take it down, re-edit the video, or change that particular sound in the video to make sure you don't have any copyright issue. And for community subtitles, this is just where you review your comments. For the subtitles, this is just automatic and check per different videos, and your analytics shows you, let's say, just the general overview of where your viewers are from, the number of views you are getting on particular video, and all of that. Like content, you can check per the stats for your different videos and all of that. So it's just pretty much straightforward, and I feel it's something. And in advanced mode, you can search for more parameters and everything, tweak the time, the type of chart. Maybe you want a bar chart to show you your data and how your channel is doing and everything. Check by location, cities, viewer age, gender, date. So you just know, you research your audience base and find out how you intend to create content tailored to your favorite consumer. Well, I could call them consumers of the content also anyways. So I guess that's about that. And back to this customization tab, the final tip I would want to give you is it's best to get a picture that is 800 by 800 pixels. And let's say for this now, for example, they've given you these pixels, but this shows this banner image displays in different ways across different devices. For example, on your laptop, on your smartphone, and your television. So on your TV, it could be more wide and almost filling the screen as shown here. So you just kind of follow this pixel and this pixel size and try to centralize the image or your banner to fit this. And for this, you can always use canva.com. I also drop the link in the description and also display it on the screen right here. So these are just one of the simple tricks and tips that you can just use to just create your YouTube channel and get ready to create some content. And I feel with that we've come to the end of this video. How many minutes are we at now? So, and let's say in the next coming videos I will show you how to, you know, let's say you can shoot with any device, record with any device, how to record these your videos, and also, you know, start posting on YouTube and tweaking, understanding SEO and all of that. And I feel since this video is also going on YouTube and it's targeted for the private community on WhatsApp, you can always share your questions or comment on the video, and also ask for some parts maybe I didn't explain well enough. I would always be there to reply and also help you set up your channel and get you ready for stardom on YouTube. So like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.